Oops. Oops. Tambay. May mga days ba na parang ang layo ni Lord? Yung nagpipray ka pero parang walang tumatama. Stay here. Baka hindi siya malayo. Baka ikaw lang yung pagod. Lahat tayo dumadaan sa season na parang hindi natin maramdaman si Lord. Yung nag-worship ka pero dry. Nagba-Bible ka pero walang spark. Nagpipray ka pero parang walang sagot. Minsan nga pati amen ang hirap ilabas sa bibig. At doon ka natatakot. Lord, nandiyan ka pa ba? Lord, bakit parang ang layo mo na? Pero ito ang kailangan mong marinig today. Your feelings are not indicators of God's distance. Hindi porke hindi mo siya maramdaman, wala na siya. Hindi porke tahimik siya, iniwang ka na niya. Sabi sa Deuteronomy 31:8, the Lord Himself goes before you and will be with you. He will never leave you nor forsake you. Keyword. Take note, never. Hindi sometimes. Hindi depende sa mood mo. Hindi kapag okay ka. Si Lord, hindi seasonal. Hindi emotional. Hindi naglalaho pag nagkakamali ka. And in Psalm 34:18, the Lord is close to the brokenhearted. Hindi sinabi na close to the perfect. Hindi sinabi close to the strong. Sabi, brokenhearted. Ibig sabihin, if may season na parang malayo siya, malamang yun yung season na actually pinakamalapit siya. Isipin mo ang araw kahit makapalang ulap, hindi mo nakikita. Pero alam mo, nandoon pa rin. Hindi siya umaalis. Tinatakpan lang ng clouds. Ganon din si Lord. Hindi siya nawawala. Minsan lang natatakpan ng stress, anxiety, heartbreak, pagod, overthinking, disappointment, unanswered prayers, etc. etc. But His presence, fixed, constant, sure. Because even if you're tired, you're not abandoned. Pagod ang puso mo pero hindi ka iniiwan ni Lord. Because silence is part of spiritual growth. Teachers are usually silent during a test. Tama ba? Because your emotions are loud. Fear, stress, and sadness can drown out His whispers. Pero hindi nila siya kayang paalisin. Because God speaks in stillness, not chaos. Kung sobrang ingay ng buhay mo, mahirap siyang marinig. Pero hindi ibig sabihin, wala siya. Kaya katambay, kung feeling mo malayo si Lord, ito ang truth na kailangan mong yakapin. God's nearness is not based on your feelings. It's based on His promise. At hindi pa siya nabigong tuparin ang promise niya kahit minsan. You may feel empty, pero siya puno. You may feel lost, pero siya certain. You may feel alone, pero siya present. And even in the silence, He is holding you, guiding you, and working behind the scenes. So hinga lang katambay. Don't panic in God's silence, because silence doesn't mean absence. It often means progress. One day, you'll look back at this season and say, Lord, akala ko malayo ka, pero nandiyan ka pala, all along.